What's up guys, this is Mandeep Burmi. So we got another video for you guys. Alright, so let's go over some rules. So here we see a speed limit sign on the right hand side, so maximum 70 kilometers. Right now I'm doing about 67, 68. So in your driving test, if you go over the speed limit, that's automatic fail. If you're driving too slow without any reason, that's a possible automatic fail as well, because that way you're going to interfere with traffic. If you're going too slow, chances are you're going to interfere with other traffic, and that's why they give you automatic fail for that. Anytime when you're behind the wheel, make sure you keep both hands on the steering. Alright, so you want to do 9 and 3 o'clock hand position. So now we see overhead sign, so it shows if you're on street number 50 or 125. This is, exit for street 50 or 125 avenue. Speed limit also changes to a maximum 80 kilometers. And so I need to speed up a little bit more, because now I'm doing about 71, 72. So let's do 76 or 77. All right, so now we are actually doing 70. Now we are doing 77, and we're gonna actually change lane, because we don't want to take this exit. So I'm going to signal, mirror check, shoulder check, and then move over to the left side. We're gonna take the Victoria Trail exit. Okay, it's a little bit far from here, but shouldn't take too long. So maybe another 2 kilometers. All right, so I'm looking at my speed again. Still, I just want to make sure I'm staying within the speed limit. So guys, when you're on a highway like this, there's no traffic lights, and it's weekend, so streets are almost empty. That's when you're gonna go over the speed limit automatically. Okay, so you have to be extra careful with your speed. So now we see signs. You can see Victoria is about 2 kilometers from here, and that's the exit we're gonna take, Victoria Avenue exit, Victoria Trail. So now we see a yellow sign indicating traffic is merging from the right hand side. Okay, so speed limit changes to 100. So we're gonna speed up a little bit more. So right now we are doing about 90 kilometers. Let's do. Okay, so let's do about 97, 98. Now you can also use a cruise control, like if you're on a highway like this and there's not a lot of traffic, then you can also use a cruise control. But we're gonna be taking next exit anyways, so I'm not gonna bother using a cruise control, because we are almost there. So we're gonna be taking a Victoria Trail exit. All right, so we see the exit signs on the right hand side. So I'm going to signal right, and now they are saying ramp. The maximum speed limit on the ramp is 60 kilometers. So now I'm slowing down. All right, so ready go. So now my speed is 60 kilometers. So that's why it's important to look at all the signs, because you don't want to go over the speed limit then get a speeding ticket. Okay, so we're gonna be turning right again. So I got my right blinker on, mirror check, shoulder check, and then we're gonna be we are turning right here. So we have a yield sign. So I'm slowing down, checking traffic coming from the left side. Looks clear. We are good to go. Alright my friends, so thank you very much. That's it for this video.